Visit Dr. Graham's Dental Wellness Center to put an end to your nighttime teeth grinding once and for all. The dental practice offers a holistic way to solve your bruxism. Among its treatment methods are jaw exercises, mouth guards, muscle relaxants, and anxiety management. The dentist will also rule out associated conditions that might cause bruxism such as gastric reflux. Moreover, they will check you for sleep apnea, which is often present in patients with teeth grinding issues. Once the severity of your teeth grinding has been determined, the practice will prescribe the appropriate treatment, starting with the least invasive option. To prevent further problems, your dentist will also treat existing tooth damage while therapy for bruxism is ongoing. Learn more by visiting the link in the description.